Hello, 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 and welcome. If you're watching this, you missed our... Hello, 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 and welcome everyone. If you're watching this video, then you missed week 4, day 1, and you would like a quick recap. So here we go. This week we talked about checkpoints 2 and 3, which you should have been pretty much done with, but we finished up checkpoint 3. We are on to checkpoint 4, maybe checkpoint 5. These are going to be done by the end of next class. Our objectives were that you can explain the larger ideas behind the egg drop project. You can construct the prototype and design its effectiveness, or test its effectiveness rather, and you can reflect on what happened. So let's get started. We did a quick warm-up relating to how trains turn. So we watched this video and learned about that a little bit. And the idea was that it's a very simple design solution, but it has this huge impact on the overall performance of the final product. And you need to be thinking the same thing with your designs. It doesn't have to be overly complicated to be very effective. That is the point I was trying to make. Next, I would like to show you a design matrix. I've mentioned this concept before, but never showed you. So this is a design matrix for eating at a restaurant. You would list your options over here on the left, and you would grade them based on the criteria at the top. So, for instance, the New York Steakhouse might have a really good cost, so things might be cheap there, but might be really far away, so we get a pretty low grade for distance. At the end, you tally up all the scores, and you see which option came out with the most at the end. And that's the option you should choose. Now, obviously, if you do this for restaurants, you might not have any friends because no one will want to go eat with you. But if you're doing this for a multi-million-dollar project, that might make a lot of sense because you want to make sure that what you're about to invest in is really the best solution. For steps 3, which you should be on right now, let me bring those up. Again, they're posted on MyMCPS under modules. For week 4, you will see every single part of the project is posted here. You should be done with checkpoints 1 and 2. Checkpoint 3, you should be working on / finishing up. If you have not yet, please, I must have it by hopefully tonight. Remember, I'm looking for 3 separate ideas drawn by you. I prefer hand drawings, but if you have to use software, I understand, and I'll accept that as well. 5 points each, and then 1 final solution after I've reviewed your 3 drawings. Please, please, please get that to me ASAP so I can give you a grade for it. So that's checkpoint 3, assignment 6. Our assignment 7 is checkpoint 4 for the project, and there are 2 options here. There's the regular option, and there's the alternative. The regular option is to go ahead and create your design using the materials provided or that you bought yourself, and take a picture of it here. And then give me a drawing. Your drawing should be of what you made, not what you thought you were going to make. So no matter what, your final actual product is going to be slightly different from what you drew, and that's okay. That's to be expected. I want this sketch to really, really, really reflect what I see in this photo here. I want it to be nice. I want it to have labels, and I want it to be very clear what I'm looking at from this drawing. I highly prefer this one be on paper and then taken a picture of, but if you absolutely must use software, I understand. That is checkpoint 4. I would like checkpoint 4 to be turned in by Thursday at midnight. Checkpoint 5 is posted right underneath. Let's go to modules here. Or right above, rather. And for checkpoint 5, you're going to test your design. Now, if you do not have materials, you are excused from checkpoint 5, but you do need to do this alternative assignment for checkpoint 4. It's a little bit more involved, so bear with me here. If you do not have some materials, here's what you need to do. You need to give me a 500 to 1,000 word essay describing how a packaging engineer applies the design process to their job and what obstacles they may encounter. So please, I'm looking for what is a packaging engineer, what is the design process, how do they apply it, and what possible issues do they face and how do they navigate around those. It should take you about 500-ish words to answer that. Maybe you need more, probably not less. I highly doubt you can do a really good answer in less than 500 words. This will be worth 20 points, and you'll be excused for checkpoint 5 if you do this. All right, checkpoint 5, for those of you who are doing the actual project, is to go ahead and test your idea. And we will be doing this together next time, so I will go over that in class with you next time. I hope that helps. If you weren't sure what to do, please make sure I get checkpoint 3 as soon as possible and work on checkpoint 4. That is it. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you later.